Hi everyone. Something I'm loving right now for breakfast, and it's super easy, is overnight oats. I get the rolled oats. So these are from Trader Joe's. Actually, everything here is from Trader Joe's. This is oat milk, so it's a good substitute for dairy if you're trying to have less dairy. It's basically a milk substitute. So, and 1 cup of the oats for cup of the every cup of the beverage. So I just did 2 cups of the oats, and then I'm going to pour in 2 cups of the oat milk. I have this like every morning, and I make extra because then it lasts like 3 days. It's a great source of fiber, so oats have a lot of fiber in them, which is good. So the oat milk, like I said, I still have dairy, but I just try to have a little bit less. You add these hemp hearts, which are really good for you. It has a lot of protein in it. A spoon of this, and then 1 tablespoon of these chia seeds, which are a great source of fiber. Both of these also have omega-3. So, okay, so I put about a teaspoon and a tablespoon or a teaspoon of the hemp hearts. You could put more if you want. Just so that. It literally takes 1 minute, and then you can add what you want. I usually like to add blueberries and strawberries in the morning. Hope you like it too. If you have any questions, please comment down below.